So, I welcome you to the lecture series on practical DBMS in Oracle, where we are learning different SQL commands. Now, today our topic is Oracle Truncate Table. So, in Oracle, Truncate Table statement is used to remove all the records from a table. You see, guys, I am keeping some statements in bold color, in color red and bold, because those are important for you. Like this one, truncate table statement is used to remove all the records from a table. It works same as delete statement, but without specifying a where clause. Okay, so it is generally used when you don't have to worry about rolling back. So one question will be coming, that whether rolling back is possible or not. So of course your answer will be what? No, because once a table is truncated, it cannot be rolled back. I'm repeating again, once a table is truncated, it cannot be rolled back. The truncate table statement does not affect any of the table's indexes like triggers or dependencies also. And the syntax for the truncate table is this one, that is truncate table then schema name dot table name, or you can directly specify the table name. And these parameters, schema name, this parameter specifies the name of the schema that the table belongs to, and it is optional. As I have already told you, this is not mandatory to specify it. Then table name, it specifies the table that you want to truncate. Now, suppose I'm coming to a practical example. First, I will create a cast2 table from cast1. That is, cast2 table will be just a duplicate copy of cast1. How we can do that? With using this statement, that is, create table cast2 as select all from cast1. Done. Then, as we have already one version, that is cast1, this is w, that is cast2 is the duplicate one, we can delete it. So truncate table cast2. So this cast2 now being truncated. Now let's ensure it by this statement, that is select all from cast2. Okay, but do remember, although this is same as delete statement, I'm not using any where clause here. Now say create table cast3 as select all from cast1. Now apply delete, that is delete cast3. Observe the two outputs, and you have to tell me what differences or similarities you have found through this experiment for truncate and delete. Now let's open your SQL command box. I'm opening the Oracle homepage. So this is my Oracle homepage. Now first let's create cast2, run this. So this cast2 table being created. Now let's truncate this cast2. Let's run this statement. So you have seen that the table truncated in 1.67 seconds. So now let's execute this select all from cast2 statement. What you output you have found? No data found. Okay, no data found is the output. Now execute this statement, that is, I'm creating one more table cast3 as a duplicate version of cast1. Run this statement, table created. Now delete this cast3 table. So you have seen the output is now 3 rows deleted. So look at the outputs carefully for both the truncate and delete, and you tell me through comment that what is the difference between truncate command and delete command. Okay, and the next question is, this is the first question, and the second question is that whether rollback is possible or not with respect to truncate command. I'm repeating again, whether rollback is possible or not with respect to truncate command. Do comment your answer. So, guys, don't skip the practical. Do this practical right today and observe the output, and let's try to answer the questions that I have asked to you. So, meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.